Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. I sometimes post beauty, art, vlogging, ASMR content, and just like the random stuff I feel like because it's my channel and I believe in inconsistency. So, if you want to be part of that, you can join my average army by clicking the subscribe button, and then we can just be weird together. I'd love for that to happen. In today's video, I am going to teach you,
well, I don't know if I'm going to teach you very well, but I'm going to show you
how I made these beaded earrings. Well, there's only one so far. I'm going to teach you how to make this beaded earring, and then there will be two of them by the end of this video. Before I do that, I'm going to tell you a fun fact about myself. And that fun fact is that I have a huge sweet tooth. I love all the sugary things. And cake is like my favorite food in all the universe. I could eat cake all day long. Okay. I also wanted to tell you that I partnered with Beebee Crafts to bring you some crafting and jewelry related videos. They sent me some products for free. They have a really fun YouTuber program where you could qualify to receive some craft products from Beebee Craft and do a few videos for them in return. So I am using some of the seed beads I got from them. Wait, words. Goodness gracious. Okay, so I'm going to use the seed beads I got from them. If you want to see all of the products that I got from Beebee Crafts, you can watch this video right here to see what I got. It's also in ASMR style if you're into that sort of thing. I feel like I'm really rambling on and that there's one more thing I'm supposed to tell you. I don't think so. Anyway, if you want to know more about Beebee Crafts, if you're interested in partnering with them for their YouTube program, or if you just want to know what kind of stuff you can buy from them, I will have them linked in my description box down below, and then you can check them out. My first step in creating this earring was to make 5 beaded wire dangles for the bottom. And to do that, I used these pre-made wire dangles that already have a stopper. And I started by alternating between my rose gold seed beads and my copper seed beads. And I put the rose gold first. And then I did every other. I just alternated between the two until I had 5 copper beads in place. So at that point, it looks like this. And then I put 15 of the rose gold beads. Okay, once I have the 15 rose gold beads at the top, it looks like this. Then, at this point, I created the loop with the wire. So I bend the wire at a 90-degree angle at the top with my, I'm not sure if these are needle nose pliers, but some thin nose pliers. And then I take my round pliers and wrap the wire around. I need to curve a little as I go. I'm not a very experienced jewelry maker. I snip the excess. And curve it again until it makes a full loop. Don't want it falling off. So here we have one strand done. I need to make 4 more. They will be made the exact same way. So I will do those off camera. Now that I've made these 5 dangle pieces, I am going to move on to the triangle portion of the earring. So the first thing I did was cut about 1.5 inches of my wire here. I'm not entirely sure of the gauge. I bought this so long ago, I can't remember. I think it might be 24. I'm not sure, but it's what I'm using. So I took that and I cut this small piece of it. And then the first thing I do is create the little loop at the end using my circular wires. Was this circle? What? Pliers, not wires. Good Lord. Ah! Okay, so once I've got my wire looking like this with the little loop, I take an alternating pattern with one circular bead. These are not from BB Craft. I've had them in my craft drawer for a long time, and I've been wanting to make something with them, and they went with this color family really well. They're kind of like amber and different honey and copper and rose gold colors. So I do alternating pattern between the bead and the dangle. So one bead, one dangle, one bead, one dangle, until all of the dangles are on there. Okay, so then this is what it looks like. You end up with the 5 dangles and 6 beads. And then I need to curve the end on this side into a loop as well. So I start by doing the 90-degree curve like that. And then wrapping the wire around my circular pliers. And then at this point, I cut off the excess. I like to cut off the excess after I do that first wrap around so I don't accidentally cut it too short, which I have done in the past. And I notice that my loops aren't totally in line with each other, so I'm just going to twist the wire a little bit. How do I want it to look? I want them... Well, it doesn't matter. Because the beads rotate. Oh my gosh. I am making this video a little late at night. Now, to make the upper part of the triangle, I am going to cut... Let's see. Maybe like 3 inches of wire just to make sure I have enough to work with in case I make a mistake. And then I actually I made a loop in the center of the wire. I'm just eyeballing it here. And so this creates the top of that triangle. It's going to connect like so. And I put on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these circular beads on each side. Now I'm going to create another loop here. I'm not going to worry about closing this loop perfectly, as I will need to attach it. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to connect this bottom piece on one side and close the loop. And we do the second one. So now we have the triangle with the dangles and everything completely connected. And now what we want to do is create the little center dangle right here. So I need another one of the wires with the stopper already attached. And for this piece, I took one of the large, well, it's not large, but larger circular beads that we used for the outer portion of that triangle. And I strung that one on first. And then I took one of these flower shaped beads that is also in my bead collection. And I put that on like so. And then I put 2 of the rose gold seed beads on the top. Okay. And then I did the same loop, the half loop, like I did when I was making that triangle piece. And this loop needs to be able to fit, but it needs to fit here. So it might need to be a little larger than the other loops. So I'm gonna make sure I don't cut off too much wire. I need to make sure I have some leeway with it. Okay, now this piece is going to be strung through the wire loop at the top of the triangle. Okay, and we are connected. Excellent. Okay. Now all I need to do is get my kidney wire. I don't have any of the standard dangle earring wires in my collection right now, so I'm just going for the kidney wires, but I think they would look nice with the other ear wires as well. But these look pretty too. They just hang a little longer than the other ones would. These are really easy to attach because once you open it, you just loop it on in. Easy peasy. There's just a little notch where it sits. So there you have it. I hope that you found this little tutorial thingy helpful, entertaining, whatever. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down below, and I'd love to interact with all of you. If you made it to this part of the video, good job. You tolerate me. Okay. I don't know how I want to close out this video. So I'm gonna say goodbye. Please like and subscribe if you think that I'm dorky, because that's probably pretty accurate. Okay, take care everyone. I'll see y'all later. Toodaloo. I also wanted to show you what the earrings look like on. So here they are. They're pretty long. They almost reach my shoulders. I really like that though. They're more statement pieces that way. I think they're really cute, and even though they're long, there's still like a little bit of daintiness to them, and they seem classy for me. I mean, I probably wouldn't pair them with this eye look on the regular, but you know, why not? So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If there's some jewelry making YouTubers that I should follow, let me know, especially ones that are good for beginners, and I'll take their advice. Okay, I'm rambling on. Bye. Good luck interpreting me.
Okay.
I teach the youth of tomorrow. Don't fire me. Okay, God, why did I do that? Anyway, I'll probably just put these in the bloopers at this point.
Yeah, I know, but still, would you stop?
And not click too loud on your controllers. Because you can hear it in the background. I'm not kidding.
Oh, it's so loud, hon.
I'll try that again. Okay. Don't look at me. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I don't know what possessed you to watch me today, but I'm very happy that you did. Wow, a man of many skills. A woman of many skills. A human of many skills.